Hey guys, come and watch me create a cut crease on my hooded eyelids. So I've already done my brows. I use Urban Decay and P. Louise for my base. Going in with Urban Decay first, pat it until it's dry. I forgot to record P. Louise over the top of that as well. Go in with my first shade. And I'll blend that out a little bit. With a fluffy brush, I'll blend out even more to get rid of the really harsh line. A little bit more blending. If you're in doubt, just honestly blend until you're happy with it. Without looking down, you want to look up, grab a mirror, and going in with P. Louise and create the cut crease going higher than your natural crease. This is an easy way to create a cut crease. I will do another video where I remove the eyeshadow with P. Louise cut carver, but today I wanted to start with an easy one. Using a patting motion with your chosen colour. Again, patting motion on top of the cut crease I've created. And blend the two colours together. Apply my lashes. I've also done eyeliner on the waterline. This was being a bugger. And here is a close-up of my cut crease. I hope this has helped. Again, I will do another video removing eyeshadows, etc.